Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and I'm going to show you how to use Livylash Lavish. Livylash Lavish is our mascara, which provides not only the perfect finishing touch to your lashes, but also plays a major role in the daily lash ritual. Hydration is key to healthy lashes, but some mascaras can actually dry your lashes out, making them prone to damage, including breakage. I developed our sculpting mascara with that in mind. Lavish is a smooth, lightweight mascara that's safe for lash lifts and lash extensions. And it contains aloe vera, which is a natural moisturizing agent that includes 20 amino acids in it to create healthy, hydrated lashes. I'm going to show Brianna how to use it. I did a precision wand for easy application so that you can get really sculpted, beautiful lashes. I want you to start on the center lashes, wiggle through, work to your outer lashes, wiggle through, and then to your inner lashes, wiggling through from base to tip. Okay. I like to start on the middle lashes, that way we have most impact right in the center, which creates a beautiful eye shape. Perfect, Brianna. Now I want you to flip the wand perpendicular so you have the tip of the precision brush, and I want you to start from the outer lash to the inner lash, wiggling across. Some people tend to use the wand horizontally. I think you have ease of application if you put it vertically, and you have more precision to get into the root of the lower lashes. Perfect. Beautiful. Each product in the Daily Lash Ritual contains a 6-month supply. But if you follow the system properly, you should start seeing results in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. This is the most effective, safe lash growth system I've ever used, and I'm super excited for you guys to try it. If you follow the instructions and stick with it, your natural lashes will be completely transformed.